How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Brick Science. My name is Riley, and today we're going to build a LEGO pneumatic Iron Man helmet. I have actually built this Iron Man helmet. It took me over a year to design, but now I'm going to actually take it, and this faceplate comes off. Go check out that video after this one where we built this. What we're going to do is we're going to actually make this so that it opens up, so essentially it'll hinge, come back like this, and then go back that way. This will be actually attached to the faceplate, so it can go like this. And then the pneumatics will be hand powered, no motors or anything. I'm gonna start this timer right behind me so we can see how long this project actually takes. And I'll show you the pneumatics I actually started building already so you can see the system we have to install inside this. So you can see here we have a very messy setup. These are pneumatic tubes. They're not official LEGO pneumatic tubes. I actually got them from like a hardware store. They work the same. Essentially I have this little switch right here, and inside the middle input of this switch, you can see we have the pumps, and the pumps pump air into it. When we pump air into the bottom part of these, like this, we just switch the valve over. 5 pumps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. And these things actually fill up with air, and they're actually pretty, like, look at that. These will hold up the helmet. So we gotta install 2 of these, one inside each side of the helmet. These will go like this next to my face, and then all the cables will feed behind, so it'll go more like this. It'll be pretty, that's actually really uncomfortable, but it'll be pretty comfortable. I'm gonna actually take some of this apart. We're gonna temporarily feed this down to my hand so I can pump it to open it, flip the valve, and then close it. But eventually we're gonna have this all tied into a pneumatic backpack so that we can plug everything into it, like the hand thing we made in this video, and then all that other stuff that we plan to make, like the missile launcher and all the cool flaps and stuff. Let's just start with this part, I guess. So you can see here I have like a flimsy faceplate, which kind of sucks, but I mean, I think this will work pretty well. Here's what we have right here. We have these 2 things. These are like the levers that will hold the majority of the weight of the faceplate. And then we want to install these probably in here, I'm guessing. My plan was to kind of just shove them in there and see what happens, but we might have to move them around and stuff. I have these 2 little pieces, as you can see right here and right here, and those will tie in like this. We just need to work with the levers a bit to see what kind of lever system we need to have in place to make this thing work. So. Cool. That was cool, right? To switch it. This is obviously not how it's gonna open or close, but this is just an example. See, it'll also go up like this. Did we really just figure this out that quick? I'm hoping something goes wrong, or this is gonna be a really boring video. I'm just excited that this is holding up. Oh. Okay, so it just needs to go. Will this swing back? No, it won't. So it won't swing back because there's too much room on there now. So I think we're gonna need to permanently attach this, and then we're gonna have it hinge off of this piece. So you need to attach this in there, and I've done that before, I just can't remember how. All right, we got a 4x4 plate. We're gonna stick it real good right there. Could it work? Only if we stop it right there. So like right here, these levers are going back too far. So if we stop it right there, will this even work? We can only try, I guess, so. All right, we'll put those in place. I'm honestly just scared that this won't work. Attaching faceplate. Test 1. I mean, test 4, but whatever. Sometimes I say ow when pieces fall off because it hurts me, because I created it. Excitement deflates. There's a way to do this, guys. People make these all the time. It's just figuring it out in LEGO is the hardest part. All right, let's see if it works. Lever. Shoot, the lever's still in there. Don't be like that now. I guess we'll rebuild. These stupid cables. All right, we're back. It is day 2. I ordered a bunch of parts, but I decided to go a completely different route with the way this opens. As you can see, it's not very sturdy as well. Kind of looks like Ultron in that movie. We're gonna unattach this here. We need to completely reinforce everything on the back. After we do that, the pieces should have arrived, and we can put in the actual pneumatics that work, unlike these crappy things. Let me get my computer, because I have no idea what I'm doing. Iron Man opening mechanism. So that's interesting, something like that. It's essentially, I'm just gonna build it, like, We have this, which is the helmet, and we have this, which is a faceplate. So this faceplate sits on a helmet, but we need it to go like this. This guy has done a genius thing. So like if we lay this out like so. So we have it flat with the faceplate, and you can see, so like this would be the front, and then it would open up like that. Guys, it is time for today's super special shout out. Today's super special shout out is Jaden Williams. Go check out his YouTube channel. It is actually the Jaden who has been seen multiple times on this channel. So if you want to support him, go check out his channel. Subscribe, link in the description actually. If you guys want to get a super special shout out yourselves, make sure you comment down below #SSS, or if you want a bigger, slightly bigger chance that I'll see it, comment actually super shout out squad in big capital letters, because why not, you know? You might get a shout out, it'll be pretty cool. Thank you guys. Let's get back to the build. That is taking forever. Okay, so I have the new pneumatics. So essentially, I just got new tubes. These are official Lego tubes, so they're actually flexible and not all stupid and coiled up like this. That was just switch this. You can see these both extend, and switch it again. They both unextend. So now we can mount these in there at the top, and I'm working with this mechanism. I think this will work, but I'm not sure. So like. My toe. It's about to hit 2 hours, so I'm making some modifications to this as well, just to make it strong, because it was being annoying and not strong. It's gonna be really hard. All right, so here we have, will this even lift it? Probably not, but you know, it's a test, it's a test. So then if this goes inside the helmet, what that will do is make it really crammed. If we try putting this inside the helmet like this, I guess, we don't have a ton of room to work with, guys. So imagine it like, guys, am I thinking this through? I feel like that's a sign. Okay, so it's gonna be a hot minute. I gotta figure out this mechanism. I'm honestly just going into full focus mode. See you at 3 hours. So it's been 5 hours, actually more than that. There was a little accident and the helmet exploded. But anyway, I built it again. So I have not tried this mechanism yet. I think I figured out the key, and if this works, I'll actually explain it. But all I have to do is just hook up this one more pneumatic that's inside the helmet, so it's gonna be a little tough. And then this one goes on the top. And if this works, I will be so extremely happy. If this doesn't work, I'm just gonna be so frustrated. Yeah, let's go. 5 hours. 5 hours. Wait, okay, hold on. Let's see if it goes back. I'm literally so happy right now. Yeah! 5 hours. And we're still not even done. But 5 hours, 5 minutes, I completed. Sorry. Anyway, now what we have to do is just make it, we gotta clean it up, you know, make it so it looks good. Obviously, we're missing some parts on the front and fix that small little issue. So my theory, and the reason I thought this one was gonna work, is because I thought these lift arms were the same size as these. But apparently they're not. So why did this work? I have no idea. I'm just happy it worked. It's literally just, you can see the mechanism I used in there. So we have this linkage right here, and it's connected. You can see that. Just like that, and this is rigid attached to this right here, which folds back like so. And then this one attaches right here to that. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm attaching it right there. Okay, so we bring this down, and it is down. Guys, this goes to show you, if you're ever about to give up on something, don't give up. All right, so this thing finally opens. Now we just got to do some other stuff like fixing up these side areas, putting all the pieces that broke off back on, and then we just got to fix this one bug that is right now, is that these things jut out, so we just have to take those connectors, keep the same lengths and everything, move those in so they connect under the eyes. I'm thinking we could use like pieces like this or something, I'm not really sure, but we just have to get it out of the way of that. And this might actually do the job really nicely. But we'll see about that. We'll see if that works. Guys, it has been 8 hours and 50 minutes. I just completed it. Let's stop the timer. Almost 9 hours, plus some of the time that went behind the scenes into building this. Let me show you how it opens. First, you take this and you flip it the opposite way because that's how it closed. And you pump it like this and it opens. It is the smoothest opening and even closing. Look at that. Let's head over to set B and actually test this thing and see how well it works. All right, we are here on set B. I'm gonna put this thing on and show you guys it is actually wearable. It's a little comfortable actually. That's a lie, it's kind of hot in there. And anyway, let's do it honestly. Check this out. So all I have to do, make sure these cables go around behind my head. The audio might get, significantly worse. So you can see this is the helmet, it works from angles, I can see through it. Look at that, I'm holding up 2 fingers. 1 finger, 3 fingers. Does that work like that? The faceplate opens like this, perfect like that. You can see it goes up just like that, and if I switch it again, or just switch, it actually goes down probably faster than it goes up, to be honest, but this thing's pretty cool. My camera is running low on battery, so that's not good. But here we go. The camera died. Why? So check this out, guys. If I turn this on, you can see what I mean here. You guys can actually see in there, this connection is horrible. It's just that one piece, and I can't figure out an alternative. If you guys have an idea for an alternative to that piece, let me know down in the comments, because I have no idea, but I have that, and then it's connected same way with the other end of that piston there. You can see like this. But yeah, you can see how I fed the tubes through the back there. Pretty simply like this, they come around, and it allows this piece here to pivot, and that you can see that if I shut it, shut your face, Riley. Those just pivot just a little bit, and this thing comes down. But now that it's all the way open, I can show you. Let that kind of sling down. That'll actually feed down to my wrist, so all the controls will be in my wrist, and the pump will actually be on the backpack, so I won't need to do everything manually. And there we go. This thing goes up using the pneumatic system we put in place. It actually took so long. I can't believe it actually took that long, but this project was a success, I'd say. Even after a year of designing the actual helmet, and then 9 hours after that designing the function for it to actually swing up like this. We'll feed it all into the backpack, do all that, so make sure you subscribe. Stay tuned for more of this series. Let's head back to set A and finish the video. Hi, my name is Riley. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed, make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure to hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future uploads. I'm gonna open this like so, flip the switch like that, and pump it until it opens. And here we are. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you. If you want to get some merch, just comment down below that you want merch, because I'm working on it right now, work in progress, trying to upload more as well, but also doing kind of bigger projects like this. I'm hoping the whole thing's in frame and that didn't break anything. Go check out my Instagram, click the link in the description to see, because sometimes I post behind the scenes stuff on there, so you can get to see stuff before it comes out on YouTube. If you guys can, share this video, because that'll tell the YouTube algorithm to promote it to more people, and then more people will see it. So thank you guys, I appreciate you. My name's Riley, and I'll talk to you, hold on, I can do this, in the next Brick Science. See you there.